Absolutely. And how can regenerative shockwave save you time and money? So there's an initial investment for long-term savings. So basically, overall, it lowers your out-of-pocket expenses, because when you take into account the fact that you may have MRI, X-ray to try to figure out, that doesn't actually treat you, and it doesn't necessarily relate to your issue. So it could take that cost out, whatever your portion would be from insurance. It lowers the reliance on invasive procedures. So if you did have to have, there are situations where you might still have to have surgery, but it reduces your chance of needing injections. Obviously, those things have a big out-of-pocket cost to people, even with insurance coverage. So that's part of where it lowers your out-of-pocket expense. It also decreases the frequency of your healthcare visits, because if you've been struggling and gone to several different people and you've had your portion of whatever your insurance is paying, had to cover that, and then you have a portion, your co-insurance as well, then it reduces that. And it reduces the need for long-term medications, which is also an out-of-pocket expense. So that's how it can help to save money. So fewer visits required to see results. It helps to prevent future injuries. And if you do have an HSA or an FSA, you could use this to cover some of those costs.